toxicity, I can't hear anybody else. Too many spilled drinks, missing is gonna extinct. Oh no, oh no. You always supposed to forgive me, never forget the fuck. Girl, I bet you're loving for this night, even if this bottle pressure means it's alright, babe. I'm at your mercy. I'm at your mercy. Please, I send a song. I'm at your mercy. Fuck about the pressure. Oh no, I made a contract about prices. Now I'm not in for like she is. I've been through my business so damn long. And chasing pearls, words of love.
Let's talk about the street fighting. We liked it and never lost it. That's gun riots, drive by it with no stalking. That shit talking, pissed off cause we pissed poor. My pores bleed to see years of war. What you living for? A couple stolen cars, white tees, Jordan 4s, ratchet hood, red broads. A human stash box before they start that martial law. Fuck planet Earth, we killed that turf, it won't Mars. Pussy was fat as mother love, getting birth to precious. Hell yeah, I wanna fuck. She took my pacifier and tried to throw it in ditch. Opened up my mouth and said she replaced it with sherm stick. She said you must be wet behind the ears. I said and plus my mama wasn't here. Then we started vibing and writing melodies till the sirens, gun smoke in the air. We stared at the horizon, hypnotizing. And murder was the case, and every time she wake up, she's at another wake. Her name is Compton, and she need a place to stay. And said if she can live in my heart, she play my soul safe. Amen.